Hello everybody, this thing here, now I'm enjoying the sunset. You can see behind me, that is sunset. And stay the beautiful place, which here is very close to Sapa town. Actually here Sapa town, you can see behind me there Sapa town right here. Okay. So this is Ealing Ho village. So Ealing Ho is right there, and here is just under this bamboo. That's Kaka village. So it's really nice today. We're doing running exercise to this place. Just want to show you this. I love this. Hello everybody, good evening. This is in the afternoon, and you can see there sunrise over there. So here you can see the river. There are a river down there, and there are lots of rice terrace down here. It's really nice, right? So actually here is Tavang village, which is one of the best village in Sapa. So yeah, so the rice field right now is green color. You can see they are green color. So in this village there are Hmong people and some King people. King, that mean King meaning Vietnamese. So here there are Hmong people and Vietnamese people. They live together. And the Hmong people, they do farming, they do cornfield, rice field, and they feed some of the animal. But the Vietnamese, some of the Vietnamese that come to here, they build a small shop, and then they're selling for the local. So that's it. Vietnamese and Hmong like live together here, and also there are Zai people. Zai people living this way. So Zai is one of the ethnic, the second large ethnic minority in Sapa. So Zai, the culture is very different Hmong. So yeah, in right now everybody already already plant the rice field. So we're just waiting until the rice is ripe. The rice ripe, just waiting for that. And yeah, so now it's July, so we're gonna harvest this rice in September. In September we will harvest the rice. And yeah, so it's really nice. Just want to show you this view. Everything I show you here just right in this town, and now almost dark, around 6:30, around that. Oh, it's really nice, right? Okay guys, hope you see something beautiful in this video. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.